And my mother used to say something, so I'll say it in my native language, then I'll translate.
Indeed.
My mother used to say, umuchinzi wisiji nsima kuchimuti.
Nachimanya.
So what it means is a story is told of, apparently there was a hunger.
Indeed.
And there was Nshima in a tree.
Indeed.
But by showing respect, that Nshima was able to come down from the tree for people to eat.
Indeed.
So that's how we were raised, respect. Indeed. It doesn't cost anything.
Indeed.
And the other thing was being humble. Remember who you are, yes, but we are not defined by the things that we have.
Indeed.
Always be humble. So that's what I carry with me, respect and humbleness.
Fantastic. That was Namwanga, that was Mambwe. Namwanga?
Mambwe.
Mambwe.
Yes.
I speak Mambwe.